Russell fam, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese chicken chili. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to our Russell's Loving Life YouTube channel. Here on this channel we talk about homeschooling, homemaking, and everything in between. I am a homeschooling mom of 2 and I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a blog which is russellslovinglife.com. Make sure to check that out. There I give you tips and tricks and things that I have learned through my years of homeschooling. We also have a store. I will leave a link down in the description box if you want to check that out. New products are added weekly. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. That just lets you know every time we upload a new video. And if you are a returning Russell fam, we are so glad you are back. I know we are always looking for easy meals that you can throw in a crock pot and leave it, go on our busy schedule, and come home and have it ready. This is the perfect meal. All you have to do is combine all the ingredients in the crock pot. Once it's done, shred your chicken, stir it all together, serve it, and it is delicious. Let's turn the camera around and I'll show you how to make it. For today's recipe, you are going to need 2 chicken breasts, and because I'm using my Fissler multi-pot, I always put frozen chicken breast in here. It just makes my life so much easier. So you start with 2 chicken breasts. You are going to need 1 medium onion chopped. Get it all out of there. All right, and then you are going to need 1 can of white beans. You're going to need 1 can of black beans. And I go ahead and drain and rinse them. So I've already done that. So they're going to go in here. You are also going to need corn. I like to use frozen corn, but you can use canned corn if that's what you like. We're going to pour that in there. You're also going to need 1 can of Rotel tomatoes. Do not drain it. You are going to need 1 cup of chicken broth. You are going to need 1 ranch packet. It's ranch dressing, ranch mix. It's just dried powdered ranch seasoning. I know they all say different things, so you pick whatever you use, but it needs to be the dry ranch powder. All right, and for your seasonings, you are going to need salt and pepper to taste. I have a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper. You are going to need 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. I will leave all of the ingredients and the amounts down in the description box just to help you out. And now you are going to need 1 pack of cream cheese, which is 8 ounces cubed. And just pour it over in here. And the juice from your chicken breast, the juice from your chicken broth, and the juice from your chicken broth, I can't talk, and the juice from your Rotel tomatoes, all in here is going to make it creamy. It's not going to make it really soupy. It is going to be like a real kind of chili thing. So I just kind of mix things around a little bit just to make sure that seasoning kind of gets everywhere. There you go. All right, so now I'm going to put the top on this. All right, and like I said, I have my frozen chicken breast in here. This is my Fissler multi-pot. I will leave videos up here as well as a link down in the description so you can get you a Fissler multi-pot if you want to check it out. I love it. It's a pressure cooker, or you can use it as a slow cooker. I will also leave a video on how everything works, but I'm going to put it on slow cook. And the reason I have to hit it twice is 1 to make it come on and 2 to make it go. And so now this is going to cook under pressure for 4 hours, and we'll be back when it's done. hope you have found this recipe to be easy. It has become one of our family favorites. I'm always trying to look for something new, something different, because here in this house, we get tired of the same old thing, and I know you probably do in your house as well. So try this recipe and let me know what you think. Drop me a comment below, and remember to make sure to look down in the description box. I will leave you a link to the Fissler multi-pot as well as to all of the ingredients. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.